A friend of late Immigration Officer Bright Aweh has broken his silence after appearing in court, strongly denying allegations linked to the case. He insists, "I did not kill him." Here is the full story and what is known so far. The death of Immigration Officer Bright Aweh has continued to attract public attention, with many Ghanaians closely following developments in the case. Bright Aweh, an officer with the Ghana Immigration Service, reportedly died under circumstances that led to a police investigation and court proceedings involving people close to him. Since the incident, the case has generated widespread discussion both online and offline. Following a recent court appearance, a friend of the late Bright Aweh has publicly addressed the situation for the first time. Speaking to the media, the individual firmly denied any involvement in Bright Aweh's death. According to him, he has been wrongly accused and unfairly judged in the court of public opinion. He stated clearly that he did not harm Bright Aweh and urged the public to allow the legal process to take its full course.
I didn't kill my friend. I'm not a murderer.
Yeah, I was a murderer.
Yeah, but I'll pass through this painfully for justice to be served. I'm not a murderer. I didn't kill my friend. I'll pass through it.
Please give us way. Thank you.
Reports indicate that the court session focused on preliminary matters, as investigations into the case are still ongoing. Authorities have not yet released full details of the evidence or findings connected to the incident. The accused individual is expected to continue cooperating with law enforcement as the case progresses. At this stage, no final conclusions have been reached by the court. Following his statement, reactions across social media have been mixed. Some members of the public expressed sympathy, calling for fairness and due process. Others demanded justice for the late Bright Aweh, emphasizing the seriousness of the case and the need for accountability. The discussion has highlighted growing concerns about how sensitive legal cases are handled in the media and on social platforms. The situation has reignited conversations around presumption of innocence, especially in high-profile cases involving security personnel. Legal experts often remind the public that allegations alone do not equal guilt, and that the courts remain the final authority in determining responsibility. This case is still under investigation. All individuals mentioned remain innocent until proven guilty by a court of law. This video is shared strictly for news reporting and educational purposes. As the case continues, many Ghanaians await official updates from the court and law enforcement agencies. Justice, fairness, and truth remain central to the process. What are your thoughts on this development? Share your opinions respectfully in the comments. For verified Ghana news and court updates, subscribe to the channel.